A warm welcome awaits. Nursing in Greece, where the spirit of hospitality is deeply ingrained in the culture. Greece, a land of ancient history and breathtaking beauty, is opening its arms to nurses from around the world. From the iconic Acropolis in Athens to the serene sunsets of Santorini, Greece offers a unique blend of the old and the new. Tired of language proficiency exams like IELTS or OET? These exams can be a significant hurdle, causing stress and frustration for many aspiring nurses. Greece understands. They've removed these barriers, making your dream of working in a Mediterranean paradise a reality. Now, you can focus on your passion for nursing without the added pressure of passing language tests. Imagine a career where you can provide compassionate care while experiencing the warmth of the Greek sun and the richness of Greek culture. Picture yourself attending vibrant cultural festivals, enjoying the Mediterranean lifestyle and building meaningful connections with your patients. Many nurses dream of a better life, both professionally and personally. In Greece, this dream can become a reality, offering you the chance to grow in your career while enjoying a fulfilling personal life. Greece offers a unique opportunity to achieve this balance. With its supportive work environment and emphasis on work-life harmony, you can thrive both at work and at home. With a growing need for skilled nurses, Greece welcomes you with open arms. The Greek healthcare system values your expertise and dedication, providing a nurturing environment for your professional development. No more stressful language exams, just the chance to focus on what you do best, caring for others. Embrace this opportunity to make a difference in the lives of your patients while enjoying the beauty and culture of Greece. Ready to take the next step? Connect with the top recruitment agencies in Greece, XYZ Recruitment, ABC Healthcare, and Global Nurses. They are here to help you navigate your journey to a rewarding nursing career in Greece. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the GK Health Passport channel for more videos on international careers. Your journey to a fulfilling nursing career abroad starts here.
Answering the call. Greece's urgent need for skilled nurses. Greece's healthcare system is evolving rapidly, and with it comes an increasing demand for qualified nurses. As the population ages, the need for specialized care grows significantly. This presents a golden opportunity for internationally educated nurses seeking new horizons and experiences. Your skills are highly valued and appreciated in Greece. The Greek government is actively investing in healthcare infrastructure and services to improve care. This commitment translates into better working conditions and career advancement opportunities for dedicated nurses. You'll be joining a system that is constantly improving, offering you the chance to grow alongside it and make a difference.
Your future in Greece. Benefits and opportunities. Greece offers a compelling package of benefits for international nurses. The healthcare system here is renowned for its quality and dedication to patient care, making it an ideal place for nurses to grow professionally. Competitive salaries provide financial security and a comfortable lifestyle. Beyond the paycheck, the cost of living in Greece is relatively affordable, allowing you to enjoy a higher standard of living. The Greek government understands the importance of attracting skilled professionals. They have implemented policies that not only benefit the healthcare sector, but also ensure that international nurses feel welcomed and valued. This is reflected in the lucrative compensation packages offered to nurses. Recognition and awards for outstanding service are common, highlighting the respect and appreciation for the nursing profession. One of the most significant advantages is the free work visa provided to eligible nurses. This visa not only allows you to work legally, but also opens doors to numerous opportunities within the Greek healthcare system. This removes a major hurdle in the immigration process, making your transition to Greece smoother. The support provided during this process ensures that you can focus on your new role without unnecessary stress. Furthermore, Greece offers a clear pathway to permanent residency, allowing you to build a future for yourself and your family in this beautiful country. The rich culture, history, and scenic landscapes provide a fulfilling life outside of work, making Greece not just a place to work, but a place to call home.
Charting your course, qualifications, and application. Becoming a nurse in Greece is a straightforward process. You'll need a recognized nursing degree from your home country. Your qualifications will be assessed to ensure they meet Greek standards. Additionally, some relevant work experience in your field of nursing is typically required. The application process is designed to be accessible. You'll need to gather the necessary documents, including your educational and professional credentials, and submit them to the relevant authorities. The Greek embassy or consulate in your home country can provide guidance and support throughout the process.
Finding your place agencies and resources. Navigating the job market in a new country can be daunting. However, several reputable recruitment agencies specialize in placing international nurses in Greek healthcare facilities. These agencies act as your advocates, connecting you with suitable job openings and assisting with the necessary paperwork. Here are 3 well-established agencies that can help you find your dream nursing job in Greece. Agency A, known for their extensive network and personalized approach. Agency B, which specializes in placing nurses in both public and private hospitals. And Agency C, which provides comprehensive support, including language training and integration assistance. Making Greece your home, visas and residency. Once you've secured a nursing job in Greece, the employer typically sponsors your work visa. This is a crucial step in your journey to making Greece your new home. This visa allows you to live and work in Greece legally. It is your gateway to starting a new chapter in this beautiful Mediterranean country. The process is relatively straightforward, with your employer guiding you through the steps. They will help you gather all necessary documents and ensure that your application is complete. After a certain period of working and residing in Greece, you become eligible to apply for permanent residency. This period usually spans several years, during which you will immerse yourself in Greek culture and lifestyle. Permanent residency grants you the right to live and work in Greece indefinitely. It provides stability and the freedom to fully integrate into Greek society. It also opens doors to various benefits, such as access to social security and healthcare. These services ensure that you and your family are well taken care of. Eventually, you may even be eligible to apply for Greek citizenship, making Greece your forever home. Citizenship offers you the full rights and privileges of being a Greek national, including the ability to vote and participate in the democratic process. Embracing the Greek life transition and culture. Moving to a new country is an exciting adventure, but it's natural to experience a period of adjustment. Greeks are known for their warm hospitality and welcoming nature. Embrace the opportunity to learn a few basic Greek phrases, as this will go a long way in making connections and feeling more at home. Greek cuisine is renowned worldwide, offering a delicious and healthy culinary experience. Explore local markets, try traditional dishes, and savor the flavors of Greece. The Mediterranean lifestyle, with its emphasis on fresh ingredients and outdoor living, will undoubtedly enhance your well-being.